Yes, yeah. But number no so dey Kwame sondodo. Ebi nso ye fasting but mo koto aba. Ane. Kwame bi ye fasting ebi nso koto aba. Ti ye there be. Yeah. Fako. But Kwame, advance independent candidates no so omo so enyinya vote pa e kire say omo so e kire bibi ketu e bi. Ane.
Baba election they are independent mo.
Ane say right. Ana independent mienu Alhaji Muhammad Umaru Sanda and David Kano independent mienu and enya Liberal Party your friend Ibrahim Idrisu ono nso ko puli 43 votes. Eya nisa.
Sompa FM.
It's an independent candidate. Kwame we anya 43, we anya 104, we anya 1,885. Kwame eya nisa. Nisa.
Local and foreign domestic airlines in the amount. That's the amount. I don't pay for money. Sell for Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, New Credit is a express group now make come for at the amount. Or more so the international exams, never tuition registration in Omuye B. And you pay SAT, GRE, Jima, TOEFL, Nina, Omuye B. Ho, Channel so more and crime, Kumasi, Sansu, more Tema, or more Isle, or more Takra, this Sunyani Tamale, Babiani near the court, or number one, Tamale phone court. Tamale Teaching Hospital, Silver House, and so building in Musunyai, Bechela Court, High Court, one Abbey Womu, Takrade Airport Market Circle, Yane Hot and a Store, the fast food Nedian Share, South Nice Legon, Yane, Trinity Theological Seminar, and a bank, Sotama, Community 18, Lashibi Golf Filling Station, Yane, Lashibi, Funeral Homes, and a bank, so, and crime, Kaneshi First Light, and so.
Enti yes nipa nyesa Kevin enti anopa kanjefo atenase da yene kanjefo ebedi komo mu ba pen mani agye anopa yenua Amina Salia ewo ha Amina eka communication team no in fact on the public relation officer ama kanjin sa enso na Emmanuel Neiza enso so public relation officer ama kanjin company no. In fact, kanjin for omo men and women. Omo boy juma pa. Now the am done say omo ya services but be a omo product be afro mu you get that omo ma ba omo ne ebedin komo. Iba arapa ma chen. Me pa che ompom te say. Na me aduma aduma ni mboko de. Good. Ti mo de mono mosque no eya na to so sa o. Mosque no to toss ima yourself Mike na so green ho red means stop, green means go, you go school na tie de sa mami bobo adwuma na kanje ade na say mo work esini nyina mo kala dazo sa eye nsuo na mo nom na na.
Yeah, certainly. Also nsuo no ekoni pedi anima na most
Sompa FM
nsuo no ye de bibia so but if I bibia so my methodology and our process na it's different from the other mineral companies.
Okay.
So when you put the anima detoxify bibia when you put the anima bia into the end product and I said the end results is very reflected naturally then physically be won so we put the anasha say the ben to so na internally so no boy
enye bia free ya be ban komo no so ankasa Amina ho ye de salamu alaikum
wa alaikum salam
bibia ko kama
radena dum
still say oh you are strong kanjinti kind of you are lying amode ni girem last week boko no people say muso no yetim di fridge.
Yes.
Oh okay
utim di fridge.
Okay then ni pan free busa am say mo beba next week ti me busa because let me nim. Okay, anope mo moyen komo kanjin what is new?
Yɛkyi atiefo ne ahwefo nyinaa kange emre na asun na de bia na ase na otwe bia se de esi ye no ene so saa pepepe ye nkyerɛkyerɛ na ye ekoso ayeye me pa cho ya pomude mapa enti na ma yeti haisi na nde ye topic ne ye the effect of kangen alkalization effect enti se ye ka saa brofo kakraka ya na se kyerɛ ne sen se nsuo ni every na acidic state eba ne alkaline state na alkaline kra so ne den alkaline ne ye ensuo na hoɔden anaase ne pH kra no ebro 7 before say ensuo so ahoɔden beduru saa no ɛwɔ sɛ unya properties binum wom ema ensuo no edimu ebi ni sɛ wohwɛ kangen energy drinking water ye alkaline na kangen energy drinking water no ye process ye de ye ensuo no true electrolysis wohwɛ other waters na ɛnyɛ saa other waters ne ye reverse osmosis enti different kra ye nsuo no minerals no wom ena process na ye fa so ye de ye nsuo no pass through kangen machine pass through filter ni nyina mu aso ne nsuo na yinkekawa bone ewo mu nyina dodo na afiri mu no na sa pass through kangen machine the process na ye de ye nsuo no ye through electrolysis ye wo plate bi a eda kangen machine no ma ye frɛ no titanium coated plate saa plate na splitting nsuo no into two pai nsuo no mienu na yinkeka wa bone na enye manipadua ni nyina afiri mu na aka papa na onnom nya pomode mapa no na eno na ye alkaline no alkaline no so no se ubenya ensu papa ye alkaline wo se contain 3 properties bi untimi nka kangen energy drinking water na se untimi mbo hu dewro abra unfa saa properties no enka wana se enka hu bi ene ne den ba ko ye se ensu no be ye alkaline ni pH ne bro 7 no ena ba ko ye microcluster se ensu no ani wani susa enti se nani wani susa ko ni padua no ma ni padua na ko ani timi absorb ensu no nya ensu na hoɔden a ewo mu no ni padua ni hia no ena ba ko so ye antioxidant se ensuo no ema unyini ema ho agi unum nsuo na tambia no wanyini kra ma wode ne eni ye trontonto ano pe wo bisa se kange records obia skin ni obehu ni bia kyese fefefefe saa na kange ye ni dwuma ena nsuo no so before se be ye saa no contain a lot of minerals ensuo ne be alkaline contain a lot of minerals no bebre ho bi ti se calcium potassium magnesium ne keka ho ekoni pedua no ma eboa ni pedua no ena ohwe nsuo na obi wo ho no ma o se nsuo no menum nsuo na me yare ekọ saa na kangen energy drinking water ye na adwuma it take effect wo so immediately at once na asha say ye na adwuma na mo se na ni wani susua no nsuo no kwani pedua no ma eye na adwuma ntentem yi detoxify body na yi toxins enti bi wo ho no ma wo problem wo yam wo yafunu unum nsuo na abehu sa at once na say unfili okay wo se wo private ko ye ohun yie atake effect wo so anaso bu ha ni tie ne o se menum nso no miti paye no ko eno no so kwan be so abefa so hu se eyi saa oha no nyina efri ni padua no bu ho no ma true sweat ene sebe private abeko ena odwonso mu kura abehu se odwonso odwonso de bat odwonso no beko no ntentem so obehu se obedwonso ntententen no na kire se eyi saa oha no nyina efri ni padua no ye kan so nche se ensuo no ye aduro ensuo no minerals na ewo mu no ntina ma ne di ni dwuma saa no minerals no boa ni padua no enti se ko ni padua no ma eyi ohaw na ewo ni padua no mu no efiri honom e ma pH no periperi yo balance pH no enti se ye ka se alkaline no man bi ye frɛ no otowabeg won na ye nhwehwemu oye Nobel Prize award winner oye ni nhwehwemu ehun se no disease including cancer can exist in alkaline environment eno no kire alkaline no ni mudra eye yare ntimi ntina honom se yare beba oni padua ma na be feel comfortable na ye acidic ni padua na dore ewo acid mu acid no woni padua no mo ena se ni padua no so yesa so a e de oha bebre na ba ebre ni body no untimi nya oda ne da dwumadie untimi chese ube feel weak by say pH ne ye pepepe balance pH na utimi di udwuma nyina wa ahoɔden ne soronko kwan so ma ni padua no de no ho enti ye be ye de number ne betu dwa bia so obi hia bia na wa frɛ number ne 0241
44
91 0241
44
91 acho minu enyima de kabeka
yeah boss well said my colleague no aka no na ye ka insu dwumadi asonko a alkaline na se kangen energy drinking water na ye de manipedia no and said earlier obisa me na me kan no processes first way the year nsuo no different from the other ones no and as other companies say they use it. Yeah, easy the friend say the electrolytes and I said the electrolysis processes. I know some processes na you use no eboa emma the mineral content na wo nsuo no na dey say eboa na stabilize and I say keep na ye be go straight to properties are kangen energy drinking water especially because I can say yenso na purely alkaline content. There's a property back wa medican say pH base. See I can say kangen energy drinking water na pH base. The person change na say nsuo no wo mineral content be to say bicarbonate. Ya what the friend say hydroxide ions a woman a bois so one na kwanipedia no ma they say neutralize the acidious content na wanipedia no emu and yankan yan no say for the purposes of education and academics nipedia na ankasa itself produce acid content and enuane a yedi bebrebe so a lot of acid content it then a basa and ni kwan say eno do so bebrebe wanipedia no mo say de bia the alkaline content na wo kangen energy drinking water balance and neutralize ema proportionally e de ben eyepe it's we kakra it's eno eye baako sanso na afia say eye minerals derived the ka say mineral derived and so the person change na ne say mineral content be to say calcium, potassium and especially when say calcium times that number ye ka say e ade say eboa for bones growth it's eno and so eye one of them I think you say eye pH stability like I say pH stability say them colleague Emina ekan no you see nsuo a alkaline bia no I was set the pH level that is concentration a woman I was set abroad from 7 equal into numbers na less to say from 0 to 14 and requirements na be fa so abehu you use the friend is say a logarithm scale so from 0 to 14 so numbers na less to say 1 2 and no air tram one who say the acidic content na de ben ewum and idea from 6 7 upwards to 14 no and also shows an alkaline content na de ben ewum it is here can say na say all the related to the make say a pH stability na say ni pH stability na 7 na like I say bia what the acid content no ebeba bia no e ade say alkaline content na bro 7 e betimi a resist no menim say tie fat dem pesa me chana say nti emfa ho ene acid dodo ebe de ben ebeba and am say the pH level on e bro 7 and of course I can say 7 aircon and a purely alkaline nti amo and so e baako nti say and a common and an pay etim na yesanso say esanso e the friend say microcluster and earlier society and enlighten more on it ye ka say microcluster the person chingin and say so na nani wa de ben esusa nti etimi ebo e di wura ye or cells mona say o tissues awani pedia no and so emu we are no afri honoma we the alkaline properties are the mabobo so yi ajapade ahwonko a kangen energy drinking water no and also the ben ewo na ye ba behwe finally replica effect in so papa ewo edema nipadia no so wo no nsuo a kangen energy drinking water containing the alkaline content no and for so dey the be nipadia to say e ba ye o kase your skin indeed atoto so ne ade yes one dey kind dey friend say blood viscosity anytime I bet blood viscosity the person change na ne say moja woni pedie no no I was say get transmissible etimi rura baabia say moja sha say clotte and as a say a thicker ade a taking in him say the city as a static what I say into all nom kangen energy drinking water containing alkaline content and a boa ama blood viscosity moja be thick na agina baby fa ho oni pedie no no eyi sa how no and so e di free honom afei so yes I say a boa for hydration because hydration na o take nsuo bebrebe it will take nsuo bebrebe by kangen energy drinking water at the amount because say odi dwuma na obra ayade say o tissues no ya worn out nipadia no ebre it will be here say obenom kangen energy drinking water na aboa for a higher hydration level sanso ana afei say dwumadie ba kwa sanso edi enso ne say aboa ewo yare afa ne say cardio yare related more on the heart iti ni nyina nso ayade say no so eboa cardiovascular diseases more of related to the heart iti bi onoma sometimes so better say we see player bi obobo we twahwem sometimes ahyehyɛ ho but we are saying say insuo na nya aduro but then I'm the pH level na e wash you into automatically so onom na so how bia and one cassette me boa SCS how no and so the free honor internal pay finally the numbers no air to ja yen sharp pine our UGC and answer about what route to be free on 0241
44
91
050 73 79 474
nationwide baby I should be when numbers and also a WhatsApp number active I was no asking so far there nobody in command and also be said be wider distributions and at the home common
Amina onim say fasting inti kaji ko kabi bi kire wo
me fa show say edru samre ya fasting no daytime ni enidi kopem time e be breaki stomach ni produce acid a lot you see too much of everything is bad acid na produce no produce for bibi na e was say di juma bi e na say juma na anya ndi no e betimi akoso body no harm enti kwan be so na be fa so e be so saa de na no e na e de den e na be so ano kan na nage drinking water e na say neutralize acidity e woni pedua no mti no say u break you fast ya o betimi de kan na nage drinking water a break you fast your local drinks aye o betimi de kan na nage drinking water aye wetim dey wash vegetables because e do some way vegetables dey high any fruits wetim dey kan na drinking water aye na ye wo programs binum aye to say iftar say breakfast na ye yes our program no enti say omo yes adwuma no mo ba kan no energy drinking water for company ye betin so ne so kama ana ye de be bro bebi awo na mo de adi mudwuma ma na ye fe enti samre no ensu a ehia pa na se ehia ma nipadua na kanga na magic drinking water
okay thank you na go de amina na go de Allah Ramadan ma se wonye so yo be ba bi di aduane kwa imade bi nim no oyo be pe aduane di so fasting di pepe okay thank you so much kangen for the alapa so how bad my kangen office onom na dia say omo de adi dispenser so ti wo your office how di shemu anu anu no sa se de bottles de ho latest ahudo ni nyina wo de from very nice packaging they say wo hwe nso na tim say very hygienic baby omo ya no kra no cho say yes omadia no hygiene no just a standardization adwuma kangen for Arapai thank you so much mo bo adwuma and so wo da Kwame Nkwantabisa say Kingdom Herbal Center no pe omo na jiro mu na so ya no ma gidigidi Kingdom nie ahodi nie Kingdom nie Adropapa nie Kingdom Herbal Center cover by Kingdom Garlic capsules and in bitters Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules for Memano Kingdom Tremendous capsules for Mano to ko supermarket drugstores bi ho Shannon so say Tremendous capsules ne for Emma no so per say unya natural balance system our himfie ho unya Tremendous the almighty Tremendous and e bawo himfie ho be ye kama e be neat e be chiche ye wo dey trust me compare Tremendous my friend the almighty Emma no sent bia ma ba bia biem STIs no emma white no emba e be killing one time go so abobobobo go so say visit various local workplace obi kote na odi abeyew tie careful oko open place bia enya wo na so obi akote abeyew solve with Tremendous capsules na emwo afa be ma no so ye Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules ginseng de free another no breso Chinese for na agirem pa ye nim de ginseng boama wakoma ne boye boama moja circulate ye sounds na usisi yade etu ase Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules oya bema na unya extra energy more extra energy Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules o mental stressor boa mental stress no afri ho anopai onkwamwa ne wo form usimens no etimi produce enough me show unya Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules afa ye nyina obi anom Kingdom garlic capsules and in bitters is no a boost immune system no improve the system the immune system no also immune is stronger at den say ya de bi befa wo ti anopai say you stroke say heart disease cholesterol sadi adore wo hu de wo ye okoda bia say o cholesterol was so me so pe anu asem no ahwe na edi aye wo anxiety arthritis o odd ma say wonam tutu wakasa say wonne ho yo ma say wa hu say won tiapo unya Kingdom garlic capsules and any bitters anopai bra Kingdom herbal center e o keshi drug green oko pharmacy shop bia say dem ka obenya bia to 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 now so kwajo Kingdom ye ahodin ye anopai otisi ase ekon besi 19 wan hwe ya do bia be ka cho say symptoms yes utitimi pai wa symptoms say ya de kase bi ba entimani nuru wansa eno ti na ohia the sciatica expert the professionals now no pay ya metro na sciatica nko sciatica nso de sciatica ni 21st ni because no kwa na timi bon galaway the akanya so ano 21st day to ase because research and foundation e boka eye mu hwehwemu hu adua de ma na ebeko anopa ko 21st clinic bia shene so say 21st ehwe diabetes hypertension stroke or share malaria ya de bia 21st hwe na mom expert ni de sciatica ni de ye tira mo se obi adi ho anopa bra 21st branches ni nyina Ghana ya wa fa na nyina offer number baby e ben ya 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 Accra obewu ya Odome market Sunyan yewo Sunyan teaching hospital ye no me de anhwe enkransa for momre techi by for momre bobaji and bank dada mbehu yan anopai obo ase for momra council quarters called junction sa enso na Kumase ehwa overseas junction near Alpha app now muntie ne pa Sompa FM Sompa TV say ya ne ehwanfo abademu pa ya bazo maje efeso tibo amadwe am say da so ameno muntie yi say ya was state of the art equipment facility ya bo 21st udru ehwa ya ne wosoro ya ne bosoro ya ne bosoro 21st clinic e wo fom enti shaden sumame udru 21st laboratory service on buy am scan on betwa am da wo ba na say international Richie ejina lab no ye lab technical works na say yes professionals any massage no so ye bow and video ho physiotherapist professionals why ye show bra 21st now ho ento arape RSYD Novigi Studio se men kan show na tie ni say RSYD Novigi Studio so state of the art equipment eba mfonyini yi eba video say we stream your program oya bank oya corporate entity bia na anniversary bi program bi na person stream call life afro mu sa so na ya podcast afro mu bibia fa video ho de cameras ni efe cameras a puzzles no so friend ya wa Accra mala mabiase first Kokoko street on client just ba bia ma ba bia wo bia frɛ beba eno ti frɛ 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030397 4822 030397 4822 na yamra na yanhwe manyo nyina enkoye Tagore Herbal Mixture and capsules arapai o bema de untimi kanchem sa de ne nya adwuma ene na mema sem ne say young man na say nya adwuma na wonim say omo fefa Tagore no say what create Christ still do metimi kreke yes impotence de nya Tagore so so Tagore Herbal Mixture and capsules say bra erectile based function etu ase be impotence o e be ma oni atenka oba oni atenka eyen guase ye how oni atenka say na ani atenka nyoma be dia no kenyoma ano pe Tagore Herbal Mixture infections ahudo nyina so etu ase yade bia ye nkwa nkro no odi epebi na nyame adom ebekọ ye wo all leading drug stores at the pharmacy for 0243 228 296 over I say ta go for the say ai checho nsemu ye be che oba bia oba to bi no ho ato 0243228296 na no pe nyoma entimi enkoye emawo dia daba ko pa ne so obeto obesore ne ase ate ade so arapa polytank sumo super tank polytank sumo on sa tank be a friend polytank that's so shani so senya POLYTANK enya no POLYTANK me spelling say the obeti ase POLYTANK polytank erone tank also auto arapa dia me da kura ne say sumo super tank no the sumo super tank a ma discount 10% you can save from 1,000 Ghana going enti mra ewohoyi samre ya ne also ye fast na kope sumo tank ko sumo tank na emu uze enye tanks na afa ne mu apoto bibre enso ne ma ni leakages nya de e pai simple awiabo so na ahya ase krake ohia polytank sumo super tank anopa bomadia ne kojo de na eno so enwoma entimi enkoyi polytank na the original always the best papa no ankasa hweye no obi amfa esukore ana no wa chenchina govuo bi hu ze polytank do bi apenti omu ya no mzo pese omu ye twa bigum make sure so better from the right dealer now so nya the right one Roman father na dro no aropai ye bedi nkomo ye ne the acting red control commissioner papa no ba obo adwuma pa ye ne bedi nkomo enti udim se edan kura ewohoyi okohan a emra no ko nsem bi ka fa ho amanfo kura nim se ufie rado fa kwan boni bi so a ye oba bia ye ko amanfo nso nim se oye fie ra wo obi obeka wa asema ma wo oye fie ra wo obi obeka wa asema ma wo edan na cement tonda fo but if you rebu ado de mra se nsem so okonyo obi onti asema se a onyo obi onim mra onim obi a nani dawa oye fie ra de nso asoma ehye anopa die na mra ne kafa ho once and I say me read omu law that act na the act that gave birth na me tete nyo maybe say okay security money nyina wo me free bi kra security money die na kire unim if you run back say me giska bi onti ase anopa commissioner ba obechecho ni nyina ase ene rent home common ye bedie nti jeno so mami Roman father na drono anopa is a numbness the wo wa ansa yo tititi onam yo tititi onam twetwe stroke na achew onam ayo ya o body pains o ho amreyo na afawa unya Roman father de drono anopa pressure na also diabetes also a unya Roman father de drono anopa yade bia beto so a ye frɛ no kwa ankro na broni frɛ no chronic anopai Roman father de drono Father Martins heba mixture ana eboa ama yade no akọ yade bia da oso ache bia ase ebobo Roman father de drono na eyi nkonya se the best medicine for all sickness anopai 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 ara 0552 668 517 0552 668-517 na eno so ewo hodoma aropai Roman father no edro no edi wa kagiramu enso ewo ho aropai yeberi komo ene ye wo haw ne sei ene Wednesday ene enya amanyo se ene ye wo haw ne sei nti ebeba o committee ya kan say community problem awo ho no amyate eno ma bi nso koye wo ho no amiate na MC is na bi ahya ase ededa no MC is na bi ahya ase ededa na bi dwen se ntade hye nko ano MC ba ko pa na mi ko hia na kwa no ho perfume eya body so be perfume ba kwa ro ko hwe na kwa de komo enso de toilet pa me se me ko baabi krono toilet ne ba ko pe na rewo sem ne se sa video si nyina wo se mi babra ya kai me na memfa memsi afo ugo duru one ma uduru kro ne so a toilet ne ba ko penti e wo ba bia your friend stop junction omdi aman uduru e ba ko pe kire se e ma ko ho e hwa na mbe ma no so ko etu uduru ba bia na wagira ho no abo ago ne mprensa obi anye so adache so obi ani ho no e fast akosan so ago adani pande yes obi wa oyo ba na ye be ma obetwen but ago now so your ba obetima kosan ni nchen na wayo ala musa say what is happening at the end of issues so nko munya nchense a ana munya kuro no agigiska atimi abo aye nsamso nua no omkoto nua no wo krom be ye ho kama aye na akase ya bomba la train so okaya de ya na ahoma ne sensan so se bomba la train na onansia no enye a round one ni bi otitide no ye tu amana na ne aye ne stretch sa no anopa odidi afa chemi why na ye 96 so sa no but God being so good ya sha ase ye ho adwuma na nipa bi mo gada so da bi ade we dia no odin omuma ye nchensen kakra na de minim nua na poku piese e de ye koye nchensen kakra ani e de koma akroma fon se we ne nipa do betima ye in fact o hwe se de nkofo ni celebrate where are the pictures ye che superstar ye che se de yakopo ababobu that just say ni de agodo Kwame to atwa e ma ne fa ha na mema na fa the other side you see and then I'm say ha wo ho a na no ye ko ba bi obi frɛ yen na said ya nantwe ni helmo area ho no enkura ni school dem wo classroom ani teacher na nantwe back class as a crown assemblyman yo assemblyman for Mrs. say mo matak bo so yetiom ka kane ne kura ne ntwom ka no mo ye adwuma assembly members ni bi wo ho a se kura ya sha se yetiom ka no ma ye lazy se no ma ye lazy papa ono abofo ni bi small ono abofo no e bia ya kwadwubin kwadwotan dwuma pa and it is very unfortunate say Karen and MC is for Buntiemi. That because I did have volunteer work no. Yentimi kan kese. Entu omkwa seti ya no magic akra. Mo ani abrem moto no bitimi wotena so cha wotimi nya 4 5 no aton bi. Na ade bi nso yemfu. And that was the situation. But currently, at least they are doing something. When you cry 1,000 ye ubenya. All the local government for no more money call MMDC so no more money call. Arapa mekacho se bedin komo. Na makacho se the spirit and the enthusiasm say the current acting commissioner obai no papa no di asha se ewura no. Say dem be kwasa pa dia Ghana be hu a lot of improvement papa na ebo adwuma. I believe the entire state moya na acting. The man is moving from area to area just or tears or the enya mom se manu dia meka. But so far we are having good news from the rent commissioner, the acting rent commissioner. Aropay wa ba fikasiem na ye bedi komo. Na ya share new things and things that are happening. And so ewo won akachi. As the Aropay or questions are WhatsApp line here activated obet me at their phone and I'll ask for you 050-943-8500 050-943-8500 or the forward yabeje na yakin kama yera Frederick Opoku Aropay yam watching Meloboku ne pombo kwa die ya mamumo nso ni adwuma office boko good Aropay there ya sha se na ya musa se for the purpose of education no ya can't rent control omi infafo
yo minu be ma Aropay there mefa sa akonya we so na machia atiefo nyina na masan afa kwanya so ada muso mase se me ba bebo apro ewo asante man time no muso mo ma me opportunity or the platform say yeso ye ma ye me de ho ne en kan sempa no en kire asante man na obia so mfanya futu na yensu ade kakra free mu de me dam ase okay na aseda kese pa before make asa bia no make asa Ghana fo nyina enjoy me the emfa aseda PAC emfa ma his excellency the president of the Republic of Ghana John Dramani Mahama for this appointment. Now the entire makers and say we all know say ekoba issues of housing I mean you be ma I idea hard ye papa. Now before I make a no look the rent law na ye dey adwuma Ghana ha no ye wo mra mienu na ye dey adwuma wo man mu did kan the Rent Act of 1963 Act 220
okay
and ye wo the PNDC law 138 1986. Now in this law no section 2 of the Rent Act now it requires that president should appoint a rent commissioner. Unfortunately 63 years after the implementation the enactment of the law that's the Kwame Nkwantabisa regime none of the president has been visionary enough to see the need to appoint a commissioner. And this has been the president who has invoked this is the president of the Republic of Ghana. We all know say the man is doing a reset agenda. And for the reset agenda, he's of the view said at least issues of rent are a problem.
Yeah.
So we cannot leave it out. It is for this reason that President Mahama and who as part of reset say let me appoint a commissioner for the first time after 63 years. Now, if you know my echoes or house in Yehuna, it's because rent control as an institution or department has never had a head or administrative head who the law enjoins him or her to make sure so be man mlana yejuma. Entina who that kind of chaotic issues you know. In fact, we have fine laws in Ghana ha. Kwame Nkwantabisa pensu ye be boss and you understand and appreciate the time say your fine laws no. Those say emlana che over 63 years, it needs some kind of review. Be as it may, there are a lot of portions so me no ka say in your review bia e ye dani da se trema sem ne ye ka no okay any prepare me ya we say rent control the Ministry of Housing under the current minister Honorable Gilbert Ajay or a fantastic job with the president and the government that by the end of this year I'm hopeful said the rent law will be reviewed to modernity.
Okay.
Now, my main consult namin Chimi and share with you just for introduction, right?
Names, yeah.
Look, you can't rent law, you can't want to me. I can't say be brave. Rent control, you want to say. You be to me regulate. I'm a gun amra in Kutahudie between landlord and tenant. I had more on my own. Simplicity. Be to say, send house OG. Advance ben house OG. So about told them Kwame person also first one what to them. The question is, feel a bit more sorry keke. Or that's what to me them about tuma, what are the procedures? Even also not approval free, but I'm trying to say an upper way. O bibi biara or your landlord or my mush understand say won't mean sorry preoccupant to them.
Okay.
Sometimes the way I'm on for first to the panel a hard dream be brave. But the moment now what do that behind no when you be ma what wave you power like a kraja ma ban it what is say me na masi me dan e na ubie to obetin sem ha me na masi me dan e na mato me block e na me to me say e na me paint me dan unim cement bo aban si dan na aban si dan look the point is who know what dan be mra so ya ban dia the moment now ko ji sika na wan fan cheche no you should understand say what wave you power ni bi the things are normally not simple. Either say we stood down at the Bama or Yenoma. O mammy, o papa, o on plan craft mom. And I was him. But the day and the moment, what did I best at me in high no? I would just kind of know. What do have a shame,
okay.
It's in person now, young full conversation. No, the beautiful liar, and I mean, I'm doing an own chat at the end from Ma. The end from my for the double and I would ya. All the moment from Mo, I was him. When I see that word that 20 from what was for 2. I said, well, down lock 1 week now, be the day.
That's it.
That kind of threat, you know, we are fed up with the threat.
Wow.
No, look, if you go to the Western world, go to America, go to the Europe, okwa, abano no, we are the man, and now what is it? Be better free. Then when I'm for the yeah, it's the same private for Nadia, and the system in Yejuma. It's the making and say rent control, you regulate how our landlord, Benjamin Sunji, when fee, because you know what will be a fee. It's investment will be didn't see if you know. What did the cannot to out mean to ya? Yeah. Adding to out mean to mammy, I tip me. And so what? According to the rent law under section 5, subsection 5, or say, if you're a beer near Quenya, Elgana, say what did I rent advance exceeding 6 months? 6 months. It is criminal. It is illegal. It cannot be countenanced in law.
Not even 1 year. 6 months.
It is criminal. Obia what did I have 1 year, 1.5 years, a criminal act. You stand to be imprisoned if you want to enforce this law. And maybe can you find that high? But maybe man to shape your one for high, would you hang you? What I say? Yeah. Minya Bima. We are where say, you can say renter. Few before I said about 2 diamono. Yeah. Ye can say meant to move. But say the beya, pere ye. And then punto about Tima Mufabra Bomo. 1 hour high down or mine mono, almost so nipa. Yeah. It is a wooden sika. Who have responsibility to do some maintenance and do certain things. Look, Minya Bima. I'm a moody, we didn't quite there. Nkwantabisa. Do you know, say, Obia sit down 20 years on toast cemented? 15 years on painted. Yeah. 12 years, on your she will feel hot. And then you two cement man was saying, so maintain once it intimacy me too. How can we be so callous and wicked to our neighbors? Why? If we have better transfer them here to correction. The same evil money now, no. It's evil. It's devilish. Be as it mean, no, almost on bay. Wouldn't say, what would you be not so high, Diana? Quantabisa. A residential property now the highest on Kodawa. And so 8% of my buy. Oh, sir. And it will be imprisonment in Ombako. If they really think, say, a man or Moncomodia, maybe a entitled man or my free, say, man, yet more cruma. Say, what did die hand will cruma? Now, say, what did my commercial reasons are? Which have 50% tax. Okay. And a maginary. Now, by the year, Umutriana. Now, if you say, almost say, if it be goodwill, right? Yeah. Those people now, Moji goodwill, their days are numbered. Trust me. It is a criminal act to take goodwill. Now, the NEJ can say, I'm not going to be a rent commissioner and armchair rent commissioner acting. Abraham Mete Accra, na me say, obey intimacy. As part of me no be share me 5 pillars. Okay. Any reforms I'm there okay. With the rent control. E bini say, me ba me make sure say I'm going to set up yellow the rent inspectors. Yellow. The rent tax force. Okay. I'm going to beg Honorable Basentali, okay, and YE. I'm going to plead and write to National Service Secretariat to deploy as many people, young people, employ them. Deploy them to make sure that this law works. And they'll move to your home. And they'll ask you, do you have a rent card? Have you registered your tenancy agreement? Are you abiding by the 6 months rent, whatever? If you have not done so, come to court or come to rent control and come and explain why you should not be prosecuted and jailed. Anyway, okay. The first, I issued my first directive on 25th of February. Okay. Where any rent card will be on show. I'm going to be starting no. So what you be fee? Na me no can say. Sa card we. Or man will be according to the law. After 7 days, 7 days, 1 week, obi jusika. Now, what is kind of man? No, say what Dania. After 7 days, he is required by law in pursuance to section 20 of the rent law. Addition, Ghanaians were reminded by the review under section 5 of the PND law 138, the same rent card, that if you don't give this rent card, now down tenant car mo ntria. Munten you tenant for. Say well landlord more people wait no be down car cause se min ntria. But what you tell say na? Cause se min ntria. Because emran say one man will be card only to me what you say. Say we ni bibia ofie ho. Okay. Nyame na me kan yo. Emran ne. Me mfa ma yo. Emran say wuntimi nje rent on ho. Abra we issue we. E dey na wade we mu. Simple. What you be 10,000 Ghana cedis me boy for 1 year ne rent. Yeah. Emran say ko ji we kakra. Ko rent control na ko ji kakra. Na for adanse ne be hu nkutahudie between you and the tenant over the period no. So asemi bana mente me ho ase ba. Ade na happy with you. Okay. Me beje dan no last month. Matramu say. Ye frame asumasi. Ye frame say. Ye frame say. Me number nie. If any house number nie. Would you me 1 month away? Would you me 3 months this amount of money training na two? Anytime bia na wo be change bibia wo fie ho no. E o se wo free card no. Na wo be change all tenant die animu. Say the be ya ntawantawa na misunderstand bi ba. Yetime hu ba bi free. Nkwantabisa. The truth is tenancy agreement is static. Move your way. But we and actually the echo so feel every now and then. Let me look and say, Abia out of ignorance, Bibri Emaye, Mimbli Mubia. And in fact, I'm not enforcing this law apart from we and I must start to enforce on 1st of April. April 1. Okay. I myself will go to the streets and move to the commercial properties with my team at rent control. To begin before answer rent inaba. Before answer rent inaba. Aba. After April 1, when your landlord that may say issue card we be no. Okay. Rent control will start coming. You will set 1 day off every week. Rent control across the country will move to your homes. Now, what betides you? I will issue card we. 2, over rent control na say busa na say want man prove so would be a tenant, you should be sacked. Okay. You should be sacked. Sacked from the tenant. Landlord. Because you are supposed to own house what they at the tenant. Okay. It's very important in the law. Because what is the problem? Yeah. It will be so due one here. Because I'm not question more than 6 months. Also what more than 6 months? What are they? When you say what 1 year. Would you 2 years, me boy? It and now 2 years, and 1 year because you were. This is enough evidence for us. 5 hours when it is a uba and now to be finished after 7 days. Woman, we are. Wouldn't you be a me patron? Mauna moto. Mauna moto. Upaswa challenging here. It's about you and the government, you and the law. But me patron says, I'm not sure. Uba ye miserable baby of you be out. Some I'm not sure I'm so sad. But that arrogance, you know, and I mean, I must see me dying, and I wouldn't mean the bear, more by that one thing, more not one thing. We are tired with that threat. Also, no, did he? Fancy will be a. So, this is one of it. Okay. So, these are the reforms. 1, you have a mandatory registration of rent agreements. Okay. That is one pillar. What it means in say, Nkwantabisa, we are aware say, we can hand and say a tenancy agreement. Yeah. Now one on hand ya one tenancy agreement no wase mo bopa. That is the first people who quarter and amesana. Ebe say now tenancy agreement na wo hin. Landlord bebree amanfo sika. All my receipts. All my tenancy agreement because e dan wa kwatwe. O pentema kotena dan ni mu. Wo di ahopopo pentema kotena dan ni mu. And for that reason in when you den o musa hwe. E ho no de be you no. What do you say ka wie no no? Afo no kotena ne dem ne mpaso akɔche mmara ma wo. Se men wo fufu ha. Men ma 10 o'clock. Yeah. inhumane. No landlord has any right to decide when somebody should move from his home and to come and sleep. Why do we allow you to do that? The law requires under section 4 of the PND's law 138. Me can law. Me can say me. Law no beni and whom you. Now President Mahama comes or 3 years.
Yeah.
Or 4 years. Yes. Now President Mahama or 4 years. On 4 years they buy. Or say if tenancy agreement, say only landlord get tenancy agreement. Landlord within 14 days. Call rent control, call register tenancy agreement. One year formula. Me come row. And Yamina me buy you. And your President Mahama they buy you. I am running
of course.
Within 14 days, Nkwantabisa, Kwana could register what? With tenancy agreements. It we a tenant. Now landlord may register for pressure to no so. On Tesla, what bit make say me pacho. Me landlord no me o ma me tenancy agreement impo. In fact landlord amount tenancy agreement a criminal act. A bad. Because there's no evidence. We need the contract. We are now sharing man. What this was into because we say. And come tenant for so. And man say tenant be any who also in the landlord 1 month. The reason why tenant for so be was as a bonny or to be fear na time so on fear. And nothing a man landlord will be bringing for say on 6 months no. But what jana so tipa. Enti the Kenyan say ye pese emra ne den eye adwuma
Timiso Poku so the tenancy agreement shouldn't be on any form apart from pink sheet.
When your tenancy agreement
okay
we a rent card. In fact, as part of reform near Debano, we are going to have a standardized tenancy agreement in Ghana.
Okay.
And won't even try them co agreement be for mobile obeko online and now be rent control your standardized.
Okay.
Now you prepare in line with the law. It won't me cohere agreement to be out do kobo tima kwa trip be got to akwankwanu so tenancy agreement to be a.
I see.
What your team mo o kwa rent loan ma. No agent me can you mama now what you say. No agent in this country is expected to take more than 10%, more than 5%. It is criminal for an agent to take more than 5% in pursuance of the law.
Omoji teno.
Uti. They say many RAC, Real Estate Agency Council.
Yeah.
Omo regulatory agents. Omo say agent will be fully in line. It as rent control. Any RAC be here juma pa. Eti agent for quack agent. Akwankwanu ase agent for no. Omo ti dua ase meboa. Omo de chalk atwere board so. Omo di mother, omo number mother. And these are people who are defrauding people. Omo ne landlord for na Canada. Landlord they would here. Your days are numbered. Agent. Agent I will call landlord or the landlord say e dan no kra be buafo. Omo kan obi na boy di no. E dan buafo kakaka ho. Na me nya me commission. What kind of indiscipline is this? It agent if so no chene nkwan enche. Ye shia Michelle Rack we na me hu omo plan wi a. Me no mo be kan sie ani. What ase? Na mo agent for so no. Ye hu say mo so no mo kan obi na dan na den. I say first no. Minim say okọ landlord ho amebo a. O de abode dem me dan e vacant mebo a. Is you call landlord ho sympathy one ko agent o me fa ma. What kind of language is this? Meanwhile, agent now yes when you registered o. Only people be as your agent. Enti no, wo kan nyafu a, me nua bi ma, ebi no. Enti ma kire say one. Ye be standardized tenancy agreement. Me say we issue card we.
Okay.
Me say also we register with tenancy agreement within 14 days. Now, I have given 5 to 6 months moratorium. The law will not be enforced. We are doing education.
Okay.
Tell me back hand me say. Me catch it but usi obosa when wasi udanya. Say task force number no mo chiwa, ubeye miserable one time. Including commercial mo didi fence commercial property 5 years 3 years no. Ubetimi no be akọ agreement 10 years me boa
yeah
be obegye kakra
okay
yen ka say be a 3 years ko 3 years boom emra ne say wuntimi nje na whether you are commercial you are residential emra ba ko na regulate wo wuntimi ka say me na masimi dan na me wo store na wote no wompa atum na fa wade scanner oyi sa eje ayi e fensen tenant no or to no ma ne stock no wadi ni nyina uwie no wasa de goodwill criminal goodwill no ato no so enu ye ma receipt o ya we o
yeah
sa mo ji good mo receipt o tenant ne be ka on say be pam no ntonti meka but ye be investigations me patrol ne hu say wo ji goodwill na wo be gina mra nim
okay
ye pese ye build the country a investment
okay
omo ye adwuma omo han dan ye omo ye be nya hoto yi traders omo nyina be nya ahoto ewe oman mu because the normal ye ntimi nton me nua be ma ni nyina agina say rent no so ka ho bi it you rent adwuma rent na rent play multiple roles and trust me we will do whatever possible we can do to make sure say the rentings are done it you can nyina aboma unless you push more question for me to able to direct me to answer and to push me na me amount the right
so Mr. Opoku ya kan we nyina things what say nipa no de dan ne ma han e follow asodie ben na as a tenant wa akwa han dan no so e da so
in the law me can say law according to the rent law we a tenant e was say one adiba kwa amra ne mpe ba kokran say wo do landlord ka
or then a casting said him wa agree rent
me boa
yeah
a twem 1 month landlord the rights will push you out
okay
and no
a twem 1 month
and no court of competent jurisdiction can rescue you unless maybe you're giving some grace period that one you even pay look the law states say be your month of March mboa what time be 31st right next month then April
yeah.
April ending of April when to a 1 month default and yet ending there March no so you know the next month no April no
yeah
eso be mo na so what the ka 1 month clear because March ending March no
yeah
and April no so ending it April na de ka
yeah
landlord no to me so pamo fifio
oh okay
ending am ran say me fam ma long no short 1 month 2 months 3 months longest 6 months obi bisa question say metimi dan mu ana say landlord person otumi a eso ma memre sen question babu say me question nyata me video no me pa cho yeni for the Christmas emra ne nhye obi ase o ma o time obi ase for 2
really
oh yes eti wuti feel as say landlord ma me 3 months eso ko ma me 6 months and now then ka betumi no but emra ne say you must give notice earlier be and the time best not 3 months time boy and 6 months time you must give the time at least 3 months notice before answer now can say me jimmy dine written me patrol o time best so me boy but and let me look can say March mama let us say me father animal be Nkwantabisa enya 3 months and 4 months medical boy amane ma try ma say me fa ma be and for that reason no it's enough time for you to go and search. Okay. But in the law, baby, be anywhere law no much say wo. As a landlord the mouth say. It will must notice in say or no ntra ho biema. It must be justifiable. The landlord can also rise to them me pamo unless there are basis. And what are the basis? Bebre landlord munte ni yes we are aware. Who person to be out in be remodeling.
Yeah, me be fabriche be.
Me boa. Anymore. Me be remodeling me be say me maintenance emra say la tenant won't any ye say landlord too on the grounds say obey sie o we no father na ma wa e say di ni tum
o we sie na
say dan wo be ka say wo be sie dan e na wa papa bo be pam no e na mra na ma akwa ma waje wo dan me bo a wo wi a the first person so man offer or some no because
now say a dine 106 months.
Me say, between the time on soon Abama ground so anonym. Say na inspire. And I
got 1 month.
And I say me per se, mama will notice me from my be
may renovate.
But me ma reason for this. Or say, woman sa timeline no so be who make the statement say because of renovation
yeah
also we are mrane say nyam na meka also we are farmer sa nipa kro na say nipa kro do rent control me boa so we no what I say one fanye dey also dey now kan na be reporter we can step in what say me be fra bo chire ba
yeah
look when you be what they done the ma obi normal say what they done ma workers and anchorophobia na e normal na make any reason bia na lord no won't me emfa wo kwati kwan so 80% of landlord able to san no be kan kire wo me be maintenance for be say oboa obi come on a good offer into opowotu inducement
okay
me patro cha say these are some of the things I really wanted to establish.
Now, Emran is saying seba increment of a year rent.
Emran say landlord be without the approval of rent control to have an assessment. I was say baba assess you fear me boy. You fear no one. These are the rules. If you is area ben kuma say ha. Your baby ha a premand for area me boy.
Of course.
It will you me boy. Ko pay for area tana. The amount of money you beji wo a premand for area me boy na. Enya sa na beji no a brefo area. And to cut your coat according to what? Your size. Be as it may. No matter where the place is situated, me boy, you don't have any right whatsoever to increase your own rent. If the landlord be any Ghana by the law no say, we be told them abra own invited rent control. And before be told them anymore, no more we know say say rent control by your assessment ya mawa me boy. O me gina so mo dia ya ma. One, Abia me pese me too because my maintenance ho. Amama impuntu aba tenant na brabomu. There are evidence to show. Because of winter no. My way, no way, my door no, my painty way. Oh, into a improvement abom. Based on that, no, me pese me too.
Okay.
Was it an umpunu we need to me so better? Rent control. Moment assessment, I'm a certificate of assessment. Even that certificate, the man after 2 years, went into the animal. But number 2, Abia inflation rate be me boy.
Yeah.
No more boy a day. And then inflation is galloping, right?
Yeah.
It in general macro, must be landlord, must be any pa. Because jump, because to idea. And then we go to we are minting talk. It's enemy to be DDA as an investment. But me the crab account. Inflation is 5% and I would 80%. Na papa na ono ya ban adwuma na ye ntone pay mu no. Young boy na or that hostel ho na wo sori a wo tum rofrofo no. Ye ntone papa pay mu no. Are you not suffocating them in law?
Okay.
Morally. It ain't na man kwan say onkwan obey to adiem keke. Because me can say me start no. The moment na be rent down no. Wo de wo ho onye kakra den. Waton
ama ban no.
Waton. So wo de mo abusan for tem de obi no ni bibia kan. Enti mesrɛ mo mensa dem nsa yam. Mumi nja me na mesi da me na mesi da no. Na ban si da mo obia no. Aba no responsibility o mamra na ye adwuma. So far as I want Ghana man mu de you are not on an island though. If it done got to almost 99 years me boy. So be renew.
Yeah.
Ghana how did done see so no. Assassin no.
Yeah.
Say limited. Chira will say who need absolute rights on the land now what no.
Okay.
Uko other jurisdictions nobody will have that full exclusive right on land. Say Ghana kwa me hu sade no. Say oto assassin na abani say wo. No atoni nyina akose media. Me na matom asase. Wo betuma to asase. Wo beto ye. Wo beto kakra na ye ja pon no. Bibia is the responsibility of the president. Everything is entrusted in him. But what I say?
Yeah.
Etukan nyina boma. Emrade ye buso left center right. Landlord who to be fear. Won't me nye no mabi.
Okay.
Bitch say immoral acts. Would ye adie enye no. E de dan ma wo say va be dem boa. Wo say me de beton ko bi.
Okay.
Adentia. Wo no be ko contract. Me boa. Wo say me dan be say wo say there be. Me dem beja manya agye we nko de me peda me de.
Samahan.
One e catch us ho to me tenant. Wakoto bi fie wo ko ene no. Wa petit den kama. Wo na ko fa paint and twi mu. Now change the color pay without the consent of the landlord. Wo ko no air condition bom. Wo ko na ko bo hook kakraka. Bang. o say me dem comfortability one can't landlord no what change no ukwe na boy no fa nail dadwa pam me na mahan untimi chem bibia wo bonika do di na ma no hu dadwa wum ntu be yasa na me sure beka hu pe o tumi se o pam freedom wo
Tefere be won se ma bod dadwa wo
ade da boy ade me dimi fie wo be bod dadwa wo be na bod dadwa wo. Let's be fair here. And now, my painting no open a white and a off white. What do you mean green? Now for painting the trees me wa. Now over two green ho.
Now the banner say paint na ifie.
Bibia enya wo dia wo. Ora mira. Fe no nto yo. Obetrem seek the consent of the landlord whatever you do there. Eti we tenant na wura ma me na mahan na okofa paint pam e bedi bro nya paint rough. Anyhow, I dey am a comfortability. I'm running ma was power to do that. We are limited. E wo do ye no. When the man landlord will be any engine no. Wo call ye no. Wo plumbing no more say palo access no ma bi basa oba fi no. E no ma no tie wonye ho. E why ye basa won clean ho. None say if you are not keeping the place clean and tidy, landlord who are ultimately dismissal and also causing nuisance to adjoining tenants.
Okay.
Offer tape me wa wo de me na maha me dan na wa bie tape no me boa wo bia na ukrom ho fi ho anan ya untimi nche me de me na maha me dan fa ho ben. If the adjoining tenants should complain to the landlord say who disturb o you are a candidate of eviction.
Na se baby amakwotena ne efieru anso aye ba ho no nzo bie nwuma e
okwa no hu ba na wa hu
me hu ye.
You have a responsibility to do due diligence. Look now behind that you say they rely on this quack agent, criminally minded agents, who are not registered, who are not regulated, who because of laziness as a tenant, was the money agent not. You have a responsibility to go and do due diligence.
Okay.
We are your order. We are answer no kwaje. And now almost so uncompleted building. Me can you mama because of time ninety.
Yeah.
Me say question, but I'm answering these questions. What to be done? A uncompleted. What's the mayor? Oh, landlord say, oh, dear, yeah, now we are the better tell. Would the milka 100,000, 50,000. Would you be a landlord who? We no say my we no almost checking 5 years 10 years no paper no receipt one sign one gentum o say me dey man ka say you na so pese hoye fa na ye wa boka. Seek the consent of the landlord. Me ye we receipt ni nsa go masan me we na ebe di me 10 years mo fa mo san chance ye ansa na wa ye.
Okay.
What I say, any amount we spend no, you best split it into the years. We are safe. Court be a bit mabwa.
Okay.
But all the old penny and hope pre equesa be briasa the omusu. And now we pay or same patrol maybe for which labor. Intimate your balance na ko. Now all the litigation and the air bow. Mr. Landlord ne tenant for sale. Omi fam riding and yet.
Okay. Yaba fact for enche but mami musa we so on a sika omoji to for security. Ebran is say obu a watwa dan na wi o so meji we in case we be kona bibia say a media.
Kwamenkwantabisa suban boninti of some tenants. Some tenants are very very bad. Omo ye bad say omo nkai say obi sika no disi dan no. Olowura wa say bibia. Eti is it not fair? Let's be very frank. It's not fair. Say ubetimi aye say me deposit about 2 months rent at ho refundable. Eti tu na me buy inspection me boa. Na bibia nko twea me boa. Uskeni me dani.
Mr. Hogna say a dine there. Ma betin me bia yes no. Anya there a dine no won be batchuma say paint viewer say ha cry ifin no dey ate.
There be ni na depend agreement ayaye. uti say better mo yam on agreement obi a wokɔ no ɛdan no oba penti me ba penti ye bi o ɛyesa me da me buy no me penti edu better wokɔ be penti madam me the same color the same quality o say pen meye but what I say unya sa kan wa komito ho o ta say but ebia oba na nsuo plumb na ɛyɛ adwuma no be adwuma ho ɛna memfa ne say wa ba be say ne kɔ but feel no chance say oba fie ho every time be ope at least about 24-48 hours notice say me ban inspection do your landlord I mean train say 6 months no answer na obeko who to me in law in everything right say we betima kokko hwe property no emre ne bra no
be ba me demo
obema wo time say o be hwe o to me so wura ho be hwe
owura me demo me
na ade wo dan no dia na wo dia
tell attorney right
bia obey inspection said no money ko yi ansa na wa say no on twa ma won say no be ka say ma say no and this is o dem no be ba eti wo ho na say na me da na otimi ba obaba inspection but ontimi ma abra o ma notice
okay
obema prano temperature meba ebia meba next week
okay
ebia meba Monday meboa at least between 48 hours what I say 2 days bi na aye na so waboa ho no abehwe tap na ye adwuma etika me advice say we landlord a ma unanye ntintia wo da ho na ankoba say ya ne poto dia ma wo so say na based on say o say into onya so pam no free fee
okay
because undi no money ni etimi ma me say ma japade enko because of rent no landlord o to me say or get out
I see
it your responsibility a bad landlord side so am one landlord's whole responsibility and they say on say you can say maintenance you wo no ma e kan dan ho achi am be this achi we because had the roofing sheet no e kan dan ho it roofing sheet leak your responsibility
tenant and if you
landlord
okay
septic tank for example fecal lodge okay baby e twi ye this lodge septic tank no e paya e landlord wasudi
okay
ye be this lodge ya e fie for na sudi na so wakwagum what I say recurrent expenses like electricity bill recurrent
na Commissioner Poku say me kwotena fie ho no Evan say nkofo aye agum a me koduru a month na ade na yema eno ya me meka
the point is I want to say collective responsibility
okay
collective nya fina be ka say menka obi a oso ba no be kwagum into kwa ndie yi na ye twibom the rules what ye twibom e ba ye bitua bom the moment ye twibom no wotase wo kwa na 1 week ama ye twibom
I see
ndie twibom
all right mama my tea for the mrem na anope yedi rent hon komo ti ye ne yewura commissioner Frederick Opoku ana edi enkomo in fact the team no bebre wa hapa o my ready to work 0548931931 0551931931 hello good morning good morning Kwame the voice ni we che mo work on it for me open o te me ka ma chi hello good morning oh what is happening good morning enim yeah odin ne ba bia free Kwame the voice is still I'm not getting the voice well. All right more working on the voice I'm told say a lot of people Anna hello good morning open you din ba bia free oh too bad catch me hello good morning Kwame Unifri so hello good morning na empom to say
nyame adom na nso
oba ade adom mai nti o ifa na free no din
berate ye frame akwasi awua taxi driver
okay
do do ave ponya nse no so pe
okay akwasi
na me won sem kakra bi so ni nyamfo yi na o kasa no o se me di se uko renti obi dan na o ma wotafo a o tumi so bituma sa tafo anana ene ye wan
oh ye den
say ebia ma be han wo dan wa ma metafo by tafo na de ma me no mempe and I said we security you know we say me say tafo na e be boa e de no e mra na and e ba ko e na le to smi nu so ye na oka kwan a ye fa so e rent no bosome ne mfie na e rent on say apartment for no o to do wa utimi we seen apartment we see me na o say a week 5,000 so I put them week 5,000 it's week no so no what you have 5,000 no sorry and no etiamra na
apartment for
apartment for no say o say we rent
okay
etiamra na
Medasi. Hello, good morning. Okay, one man just want me and friendly powerful. So our manager yes, sir. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Open you didn't baby afrefi. Good, by any chance no pay. Me so opposition who ye na say me nte on kan yi.
Okay,